So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal permanently limited account. So for a permanently limited PayPal account usually cannot be unblocked directly, as it means PayPal has made a final decision to close your account access. So if you try to fix it, you must check the PayPal Resolution Center for appeal options and submit requested legal or business documents or contact customer support for a manual review. So if you have a permanent limitation, that basically means that PayPal has permanently banned your account from sending, receiving, or withdrawing funds. So that usually happens due to some high-risk business models, suspected fraud, policy violations, or unresolved negative balance. So in many cases, support agents cannot reverse that permanent restriction, but what you can is go to your PayPal Resolution Center. So let's check it out here. If you go to that Resolution Center, and you can get into really fixing that issue that you have. So you can see some recommended articles, what it really is. So you can access it like that through PayPal. So you can fill out a specific form that's bothering you. So starting off, it needs your account requirements. Once you provide account requirements, you will get the option to gather your documents, to reach out to your PayPal support, and then access held funds. So after 180 days, PayPal normally sends an email allowing you to withdraw any remaining eligible funds in the limited account to your bank card or account. And you can get that access after that, but usually it's connected with some suspicious behavior using PayPal. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share a video, you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.